Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV on a cold old January day. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you, I suppose you would call it on an English caravan, a motor mover, but I think the Americans call it a Parkit. And basically it's an easier way of manoeuvring your fifth wheel around without having it hooked up to the truck. So for instance, if you bought one and it's difficult to park on your drive, this probably would be ideal for you. We've got a few and I think this one we're going to put up for sale. How much are we putting this one up for sale, Ashley?
It's 2,000, this one.
Yeah, around a couple of grand. Probably, if you're one of our customers, we'll probably do you a deal. But I'll show you quickly round it. Here you go. So what we got, Ashley, there, describe that a little bit for us.
So it's a Parkit360 Transformer model, so it's the bigger one. So it's ideal if you want to put it in a barn at home or tie it down the side of your house. So it's pretty manoeuvrable. You've got a remote control as well, or the buttons on here. So I mean, these are like 5,500 plus VAT for a new, so you're getting a bargain really, and they are very good for getting them in tight areas.
So we're going to demo it.
We are going to have a go.
All right.
See how that goes.
All right, here we go. We've got it in position. So it is almost a single-handed operation. So basically the idea is you put the pole in there, that slides inside, you see, and then the Parkit 360 will take all the weight of the unit. How's it going, Ashley?
We just go back now. You see it just
get it in position, so it's all fairly level. Once it's all hooked up, as I say, this will take the full weight. Do you know what the total load is on the pin?
What it can take?
Yeah,
I think it's about 600, 700 kilos.
Yeah, which is about the norm. Which on one of the UK truck towable, UK truck towable fifth wheels, you haven't got much more than 700 kilos on the pin.
So you can see that's now flush with the plate underneath.
Yeah, so that's going down. So you've got the full weight and the legs. You can see the legs coming off the ground down there. So there we are. So we basically, if he was on...
The best thing to do with this is just go up to sort of there.
Yeah, just for safety, just well, maybe get it up about 3 or 4 inches. Up there like that. We can disconnect that, so we got, and then we'll show you it moving it. Now, I would say it would actually work better on tarmac than on grass. I mean, this is not too bad. It's quite hard. It probably wouldn't work on mud.
I've used it on gravel as well. It does work. But
you used it on gravel, yeah?
Yeah, what you have to do is put some board down, ideally, just to get it so it got something to bite on. But yeah, that's pretty good in that respect.
There we go. You see, we're moving it out. Ideal for positioning. It's perfect for final positioning, so you can see Ashley can turn it and pull it out. The battery on there is not the best. This is just really to do the video, but you can get the idea of it, that if you've got a tight spot to park your fifth wheel, it even works on a caravan, you know, travel trailer. It's actually ideal. It will be able to get it in there. Do you want to stick it back now, Ashley? Stick it back now, and then you can see the reversing bit of it. That's what it's more for, is reversing into tight spaces, so we can turn it where maybe you wouldn't be able to do it with your truck. Just a little bit of that. It's a one-handed operation really, but see how it turns it right round? So it is the tool for the job. If you've got a tight drive or you want to put it on your drive, this is probably, it's a bit noisy, but it's probably the best thing for you. So we're going to put this one up for sale. It's going to be around a couple of grand, something like that, because we've got 2 others that we won't need, so we won't need this one, but this one works well. That's a little demo for you so you can see it working, and just to see that these sort of things are available for sale. We've got them in the UK. They're a lot more expensive if you import one. but that's basically how it works. And then you just drop the legs, stick the power on first, and go back down, and it's quite easy to disconnect and get it off the thing. There you go, another thing from CCRV, handy little thing. Like and subscribe, really helps us out. And we're doing a few more videos of just interesting oddball things really, but yeah, for next week.
If you're on a campsite and you want to go sort of nose in, we get that asked all the time, don't we? Can we go nose in with this? You can.
Yeah.
So
that, like, there you go, crash, that's off the back, and then off you go. So that's it, off we go onto another little job here at CCRV. Thanks for watching.